In this video, we will be demonstrating the maintenance procedure for the Mammotion LUBA series of robotic lawnmowers. You will need the following: screwdriver, stiff brush, cloth, spray bottle with water, scraper, and gloves. For safety reasons, it is recommended that you disable all tasks in the app, power off the robot, and remove the safety key before starting this maintenance procedure. If you're practicing this maintenance procedure before winter storage, it's recommended you charge up the machine beforehand as well. To start, spray the top of the machine with water and clean it with the cloth. Make sure the vision module and charging contacts are clean and clear of any debris. Now we will move on to the underside of the machine. When working on the underside, it is important to protect the vision module. You can either place the robot upside down in the polystyrene insert that came in the box, or purchase the official Mammotion maintenance stand. Once flipped, carefully remove the cutting disc, then the blades. Make sure you're wearing protective gloves when doing this. Examine the condition of the blades to see if they need replacing. Using the spray bottle and cloth, clean the cutting disc. Next, refit the blades to the disc. To clean the underside, firstly carefully use the scraper to remove thicker areas of debris. Be cautious around the bellows as you don't want to damage this component. After this, spray a mist of water across the underside, then scrub with a stiff brush and wipe down with the cloth. Now, this is very important. Do not use any form of running or pressurized water on the underside of the machine. This could cause water to seep through the height adjust bellows on the underside of the machine into the electronic components, potentially causing a failure and voiding your warranty. Remember, the underside doesn't need to be spotless, just clear of thick debris. Now, refit the cutting disc to the underside. If you are going to put your machine away from winter, we advise that you take your machine into somewhere that's temperature controlled, ideally indoors and somewhere that won't drop below freezing. We recommend this because extreme cold weather can cause a battery to rapidly discharge, which could cause damage to the battery's cells and drastically reduce its service life. The RTK reference station and base station can stay outside unless there are prolonged periods of extreme cold, and in this case, by extreme cold, we mean periods of -10 degrees Celsius or less. And that's everything. Your robot is clean and ready to mow again. If you've got any questions, please leave them for us in the comments below, and thank you very much for watching.